What's this thing on?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Keeping up video.
She looks good fast.
Dude, I'm more than happy. I'm so happy.
You look so Asian right now. It's almost like you're a tourist.
Just need a drop for good measure.
No, not right now. So we replaced this piece. I don't know how, but probably one of the many times this thing slammed into a wall. It's somewhat clean-ish. Now there's fluid in here, so understand that. Make sure your adjuster knob is in there. But yeah, that is how you bleed a GPR V4. I hope you like it, John. And that's it. The Gsxr is done. Next, we're gonna do the reveal to John. First, let's show John the bike.
Hello! What's up?
What's up?
Hey, truffle. Dude. Oh, interesting. How it actually like it does
Like blend,
like
right?
it blends, but it like from this angle, this is definitely it almost looks like, you know,
Kind of great.
grayish compared to the white. But ooh. It's good. Turned out really good. Out really good. Oh.
I tried to start it, battery's dead.
Again. Gotta run it. Really good on the
The only thing that we have to do is
it's actually pretty cool how that's tucked away there.
Yeah.
On the back.
we need to bleed the front rear brakes. The air must have finally found its way to the top.
Always good.
But they work. They stop things, but it's just soft, squishy, too squishy.
Yeah.
But we can try. I don't think it's just dead.
What's this thing on?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Keeping up video.
She
looks good fast.
Thank you. The brake caliper on the bottom, not orange anymore.
Was it always? It's different orientation though.
Yeah, I think before it was on the
Before it was back here.
Yeah. You have little faith at first. What do you think of the colors?
What do you mean? I always liked the white and blue.
Well, you were really like, are you sure? I don't know.
I just like
What about
it
the
was
wet-
just hard to pull the trigger because it was like
The windscreen. There's like this little spot right here and this little spot right here. But the headlight had like this big scuff down the middle.
we'll have
There.
more to worry about when I flip a stoppie.
So the headlight looks almost brand new.
Oh yeah.
And then since the battery's dead, you can see. But we got the
Were you able to figure out the
yeah, I got the high and the low. Why would you do that to yourself? And then brakes.
It's not even noticeable back there. What was you said you had an idea for the license plate.
We get a plate for it. I worked out a deal with Impaktech, and they're gonna give you guys 10% off of any products on their website. They hands down make some of the best products on the market when it comes to protection. The cool thing about this is I've been using Impaktech products for many years, all the way back till like around 2010. And I've never had any issues. I've always got taken care of if I had any questions with them, and I reached out to them and said, hey, I'd like to offer a deal for my audience. Is that possible? And they're like, yeah, no problem. And I reached out to them because of my experience, and it was always great, and I've always backed them up, and I've always suggested their products to people over the years. So spoiler alert, we're gonna be using a crash cage from Impaktech and a front fairing stay from Impaktech on this build. Now, we would have used other parts. We already had all the parts that we needed for this build, so there's no reason to purchase anything else. So head on over to impacttechusa.com and use the code FATPAT, P-H-A-T-P-A-T, and you'll get 10% off your next purchase. So huge shout out to Impaktech for offering that deal to you guys, and let's get back into the action. So you happy with it?
Dude, I'm more than happy. I'm so happy.
You look so Asian right now. It's almost like you're a tourist. Tourist with your own bike, bro.
Something. What's up?
Sit on it, see how it feels.
We have a before and after, right?
Oh, I'm sure I do. Yeah.
Must be a drop for good measure.
No, not right now. Once we get all the photos and videos.
Man, I'm really gonna have to to make this cut windscreen work. I'm gonna have to 20-30 mile per hour around town. That's cool.
Feel good to be back on it?
The Impaktech Stunt stay.
Does it feel good to be sitting back on it? The foot pegs we gotta adjust to you. They're in probably the wrong
one's
position.
up, one's down.
Yeah.
Oh no, it feels great to have this thing all put together. To be honest, I was a little embarrassed with it before being all clapped out. I couldn't ride it to work. People think it'd be a stolen bike. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, a couple little fine-tuning tweaks, but everything is pretty good. We probably want to get a battery for it, more likely. 2 bikes. You're asking, okay, so is there gonna be a 2-bike build? No, there's gonna be 1. John's on his way over. We're gonna work on this, but I've been keeping this bike, my bike, a secret.
Bike's done.
No, I wish.
No!
So you're being recorded, first of all. Are you ready for this?
What do you want to do today? Just
Start taking it all apart. We should probably decide on a couple, like the small little things that you may want to do. Well, that sucks. It's nice to be back in the garage.
I hate working on bikes, but I like doing it when I'm with somebody working on it. I did some weird janky airbox mod.
Feels good to be back at home, working with my best friend in the garage. You probably need a big... There's a flat spot here. It looks like an octagon. Let's go ahead and just put everything in one of these boxes.
Something dumb. We're looking down on the camera.
Oh, we always look dumb on the camera, bro. Wait, you were talking about foot brake. You don't even know how to use your foot brake. What are you talking about?
Scrape every time I do.
Yeah,
I loop every time I do.
Your Jesus lovers?
My Jesus lovers.
And they are very oblong. They've hit a lot of curbs. Up the rash like this. take like the stickers off. This, we have all of our new fairings for the next bike. Just got the fork seals done. Just gotta kind of wiggle it. There we go. Front brake works. Forgot to show you guys what it looks like. This isn't really a super important part of this whole. So that was a bit frustrating in itself. And we have all new fairings for this bike. We have these right here, should not have been powder coated on the tops. But he just had a baby. Congratulations, John. And woo! Wave. Nothing is like 100% tight yet. Pucks on. We had plastics ones on here before. I actually made these. We got some new HT Moto for the tank. Blue fuel line, which just a few minutes ago. Super confused. This is just not fitting how it should. Really glad we decided to do the spark plugs. Look how bad those are.
It came out good. Ooh.
John hasn't seen the gray in person. He hasn't seen the bike in person. So I went across all the tops of them. This is the rear rotor. The other one's the front rotor. There's no wear on it anywhere, and it's doing wrapped forks, there's a seam there. Motul 7100, 1040. Or no, we only have a high beam. One of the headlight brackets is already broken. Pretty awesome. The shop, his name's Paul. He does something that's super annoying, and I've asked him several times not to do. Don't. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. So I'm gonna go over all this stuff. Fits way better. Cutting down your windshield and your fairings. The biggest tips I can give you guys is, so we replaced this piece. I don't know how, but probably one of the many times this thing slammed into a wall. It's somewhat clean-ish. Now there's fluid in here, so understand that. Make sure your adjuster knob is in there. But yeah, that is how you bleed a GPR V4. I hope you like it, John.